Hey guys, if you get a headlight that burns out, particularly driver's side on your 2010 Ford Fusion, and it looks a little melty in there, and then when you actually look at the connector, it is also quite melty. Don't worry, this is common, it's fixable. So you'll need a new headlight bulb. It's going to be an H11. And you're going to need a pigtail. This one's made by Standard S553. And what we're going to do is, if we look down in here, got the wires, we're going to use some butt connectors. We're going to splice this in here and then we'll test. Alright, so I've got those ends, got the butt connectors on them. That got a little bit tricky. Had to use just a utility knife to get the stuff off. So I'm going to go ahead, connect this, let's get the other end, crimp it up, and then we'll test. Okay, you guys see the bulb right there? Let's see if it works. Yes, sir. Alright, so got it locked into position, as you can see, and I had to take that gray plastic thing and slide it off. It's now it's on the wire, but I tucked in the extra wire, so this happens again, it'll be much easier to service and put a new pigtail on it. But don't forget to put your weather cap, dust cap back on it, and you're done. And you got to put this back in. But for a YouTube short video, that's it, we're done.